अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल चाल है व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आइए बगैर वक्त ज़ाया किए अपने पेपर की तरफ बढ़ते। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। वास्को द गामा द Portuguese explorer discovered the direct sea route from. So he discovered direct sea route from Europe to India. Question number 2. Who was the inventor of printing press? So he was Johannes Gutenberg. Question number 3. Who painted Mona Lisa? So the right answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 4. Siddhartha was the original name of. Siddhartha actually बुद्धा का original name था. Question number 5. Cuba is located in. So the right answer is South America. Question number 6. Malthusian theory is regarding population. Question number 7. Which out of following took place in 1963 settlement of Pak-China border dispute? Question number 8. At the time of partition 1947, the Prime Minister of England was, so he was Clement Attlee. Question number 9. The capital of British India was shifted from Kolkata to Delhi in. So it was shifted in 1911. Question number 10. Who was the teacher of the Alexander the Great? So the right answer is Aristotle. Question number 11. During the anti-government movement of 1977, who was the president of PNA? Air Marshal retired Asghar Khan. Question number 12. The title of Stanley Wolpert's famous book on Zulfikar Ali Bhutto is. So the title is Zulfi Bhutto of Pakistan. Question number 13. On 20th December 1971, who became the president of Pakistan? So Zulfikar Ali Bhutto is the right answer. Which political party of Pakistan was established in 30 November 1967? So the right answer is Pakistan People Party. Question number 15. Agartala conspiracy case was launched in. So the right date is 1963. Question number 16. During the 1965 war, the foreign minister of Pakistan was. So the right answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was prime minister, foreign prime minister. Question number 17. The hierarchical structure of the basic democratic AD introduced by President Ayub Khan was 5-tier. Before elevation as Governor General in 1951, Mr. Ghulam Muhammad was Finance Minister. Who is considered to be the chief architect of 1956 Constitution? So he was Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. According to land reforms in 1972, the ownership or irrigated land was restricted to 150 acres. Question number 21. chapter deals with the civil prisoner? So the answer is 16 chapter deals with the civil prisoners. Question number 22. Remission per month for industry and due to performance of the prescribed daily task 3 days. Question number 23. Remission per month for through good conduct and scrupulous attention to all prison regulation 2 days. Question number 24. Means any prison provided for the confinement of particular class or classes of prisoners, for example for women and children prisoner remission system कहा जाता है उसे. Any person committed to or detained in prison under section read with section 110 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 123. Means the rules for the time being in the force regulation, the award of remission to and the consequent shortening of sentence of prisoners in prison remission system. Question number 27. Means any prisoner who is not a criminal prisoner, so he is civil prisoner. Means any prisoner duty committed to custody under the writ, warrant or order of any court of authority exercising original jurisdiction or by the order of court martial, criminal prisoner. Under what rule? Remission to prisoner who donate blood. 212. Atrefus convict principle of S403 applicable only in case of prosecution in normal courts and not in case of disciplinary action under Rule 202 for prison rules. So it is true. The second most abundant metal found in earth is iron. K in Pakistan stands for. So the right answer is Kashmir. Tunnels of Mangla Dam in numbers are. So there are only 3 tunnels. A bus with 32 data line can transport how many bits a time? So 32 bit. Question number 35. A moving ball stops due to the action of. So the right answer is frictional force. Energy of body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. The silvered surface of thermos flask prevents transfer of heat by. So the right answer is radiation. Question number 38. 1024 bytes equal to, so it is equal to 1 kilobyte. Question number 39. The liberation of energy in sun due to, so the right answer is fusion reaction. Atomic bomb is based on the principle of. So basically atomic bomb जो इस प्रिंसिपल पे बेस करता है वो है न्यूक्लियर फिशन. Question number 41. The device which convert analog signal to digital signal is called. So modem. Question number 42. For making lasers, we use usually ruby. Question number 43. Radio waves are. So the right answer is electromagnetic waves. Question number 44. When AIDS is diagnosed for the cause of AIDS, the patient may live for about 2 years. So the right answer is 2 years. Question number 45. Name the unit to express the memory of computer. So the unit is used byte. Bill Gates is more well known as owner of Microsoft Corporation. Which of the following two numbers of binary codes होती हैं 0 and 1? The terrorist group Al-Shabaab is based in. So the right answer is Somalia. When we move from left to right in second period, atomic value of the element increase with the constant state. Question number 50. Argon laser is used for operating. So argon laser is basically used to operate glaucoma.